Okay, everybody. So, some people out there, maybe some of my subscribers play Roblox, okay? If you play Roblox, alright? If you play Roblox, okay? I want you to click this video right over here. Alright, click this video. Come down here and say Roblox user name. Whoops. User name, and then type your Roblox username. Elijah 2. Alright, so over here, look, all you got to do, alright everybody, all you got to do in this video right here, all you got to do is type your Roblox username right there. Just type Roblox username and then put your Roblox username right there. And also, one more thing, you guys. There have been some people, I actually know that are subscribed to my channel, alright? First of all, we have Fashion Ryan, alright? First we got Fashion Ryan, and then, where is that dude? We have Gord. Alright, so it's Gordobed, alright, and Elmer Turo, alright, and Fashion Ryan, alright? So, those are the people that you guys might know, alright? Alright, but what I really want to say is, I have a new subscriber that I've actually played with in this video. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I did say comment in that video your Roblox username, or send a request to mine, alright? So I'm gonna tell you guys what my Roblox username is. Let's go here. Alright, so my Roblox username is ElijahCrow2012. Go up here into the search and search Elijah Crow 2012, alright? And then you're going to see in players, you're going to click that, and then you're going to see me, alright? Okay? Alright, so, but what I really want to do is, there are, two Ellies that I know. Alright, so Ellie number 1 is the one that I recorded with in this video. Ellie number 2 is a classmate of mine in my stage school I do on Zoom, alright? So those are the two Ellies that I'm gonna give a big shout out to, alright? So yep, this is all that's gonna be happening right now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and also, one more thing, you guys. One more thing. Make sure you go subscribe to Anna's blox. She is a good friend of mine, alright? It's called Crow Anna's blox, alright? And Tenley Plays. Subscribe to her and Anna's blox, alright? I will be leaving a link in the description so you guys know where they are, but that's all I'm gonna ask you guys today. Just subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and the two Ellies, thanks, and also Ryan and the Gord guy, alright? Thanks a lot, and just, yeah, goodbye.